Welcome back to MFD channel. Here in Mizoram, we are in the midst of the winter season. We have more than 60 days to pass through this cold season. So for girls, it is very important to have a good wardrobe collection of dresses to enjoy the cold season. Most of the girls in Mizoram hates winter season because it is a matter of problem how to dress, what to wear and what not to wear. Besides thinking the fashion, it is also important to keep the body warm. So for girls, winter season is like a season of cry. How do the Mizo girls dress up during winter season? The kind of dresses they like, the outfits. So I hope you enjoy this video and watch till the end. In the meantime, let me tell you few information about the climate of Mizoram. Despite its tropical location, Mizoram enjoys a moderate climate. This mainly due to its fairly high elevation. It is neither very hot nor too cold throughout the year. The region falls under the direct influence of the southwest monsoon. As such, the region receives an adequate amount of rainfall. The climate is humid tropical, characterized by short winter, long summer with heavy rainfall. The cold season starts from November and lasts till February. The temperature is comparatively lower, 11 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius normally, but not too low to make human habitation difficult. The diurnal temperature varies from 8 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius during this season. The season receives very less rainfall, and whatever amount rainfall received is originated from northeast, generally known as retreating monsoon. The season is very pleasant with clear blue sky in the absence of cloud covering. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for latest notification.